guys, so in this lesson we're going to be learning Dancing in the Moonlight by Toploader, and this one just has 5 chords. Okay guys, so we're going to start by learning the chords. There's literally just 5 chords that repeat the whole way through. Chord number 1 is a D minor. Just before we get going, capo does need to be on fret number 3, and all chords are relative to that, so that'll make this fret 4 now becomes fret 1. That's fret 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. So we're going to start by learning the first chord, D minor. Bottom string 1, string above fret 3, string above fret 2, and strum the bottom 4 strings. Curl them fingers right round. Next chord is a G, second string down from the top 2, top string fret 3, bottom string fret 3, and strum all the strings. We then have a C chord, second string up from the bottom 1, third one down from the top 2, string above fret 3, strum all the strings except the low E. We can pop that thumb over the top to mute it if we need to. The next chord is C with a B in the bass, so that first finger stays where it is, second string from the bottom number 1. Then we want another finger to then go on the second one down from the top fret 2 to this note here, then strum from the A string down. And then the final chord is an A minor. That first finger can stay there, string above fret 2, string above that fret 2, and we strum from the A string down. So let's just quickly recap on them. That was D minor, then a G, C with a B in the bass, then an A minor. And it's literally just them chords in that order throughout the entire song. So if you've got that, we're going to move on to the order and the strumming pattern. Okay guys, so now we've got the chords, we're going to learn the order and the strumming pattern. It's literally just them 5 chords in the same order throughout. So we have the D minor, the G, the C with a B in the bass, and A minor, and it literally repeats that in that order throughout the entire song. Now the strumming pattern we want is that D minor, and we're going to go down, down, up, down. Same on the G. Down, down, up, down. When we get to the C, 2 down strums. C with B in the bass, 2 down strums. A minor, down, down, up, down. Let's put that all together. Down, down, up, down. Then the G, then the C. Down, 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 up, down. And it literally just repeats that in that order throughout the entire song. Let's give you a quick blast of the first verse. Almost every night, when the moon got so big and bright, it's supernatural delight. Everybody's dancing in the moonlight. Yeah, and it literally just repeats that throughout all the verses, all the choruses, throughout the entire song. Cool, hope that's helped. Okay, so that concludes today's lesson on Dancing in the Moonlight. If you've enjoyed today's lesson, as always, please do smash that like and subscribe, and I'll see you again in the next one.